Today is a tapping session to use after periods of intense stress. What can happen after the adrenaline goes down and all the hormones of stress go down, you may experience waves of overwhelming emotions such as sadness, depression, anger, anxiety, etc. I know this is the case for me in my body. A lot of people around me, we went here through a period of immense survival stress, and it is also the case when we spend a period of time in intense stress because of something that is happening with our teenagers. If your teen is putting themselves in danger in some way or form, if they are demonstrating some destructive behaviors, your level of stress may be high for a long period of time. Or even if it's not that high, it's still there for a long period of time. And when you're after the crisis, you're on the other side, or sometimes in the middle of the crisis, you may experience those waves. So if that's you, tap along with us today. We're going to start tapping. I'm going to ask you to connect to your body, to become aware of where is the stress or where is the emotion lodged in your body. Where does it manifest? I tend to add S's everywhere today. Again, a case of, Franglish or whatever. Disregard that S. Where does the stress manifest for you in your body today? The stress or the emotion of anger, sadness, anxiety, etc. Give it a color, give it a shape. Assess its level of intensity from 0 to 10, like it's really overwhelming. And if you need a pause this video. If not, let's go. And I'm gonna use sadness because that's what I feel currently in my body, but it may be something else for you. And in that case, use the emotion that is right for you. Even though I have this immense sadness in my body right now, and I don't even know what it is about. Things have been so stressful. And it's located in my chest, like a big blue stone of sadness. I give my body permission to relax, and I give myself permission to process and release this emotion. Even though I have this blue stone of sadness in my chest, I choose to love and accept myself completely. I give my body permission to relax. I remember that right here, right now, I am safe. I give myself permission to process and release. And I don't even need to understand anything about this sadness right now. Even though I have this blue sadness in my chest, I choose to acknowledge what I feel and to let go and relax. This sadness in my chest. This sadness about all the stress that I just went through. I acknowledge this sadness. this sadness in my chest. I accept and process this sadness in my chest. Acknowledging and letting go. And really feel or see or hear this emotion leaving your body, at least some of it. Acknowledging here in the collarbone, just under, acknowledging this sadness in my chest right now. At the brow line here, giving myself permission to process and release. And we're going to tap here between those two long bones, just here. Processing and letting go. And breathe. Processing the sadness. Letting go of the sadness. It is safe to let go of the sadness. I am safe now, right here, right now. Processing and letting go. And now take a deep breath at each tapping point. Letting go. You don't even have to repeat. Letting go. I am safe, letting go. Now put your hands on your heart, connect to your body. Go back to that overwhelming emotion that you were feeling earlier, that you may be still feeling, and assess its intensity. The intensity should be lower. If it's not to your desired level, redo that tapping, that really quick tapping sessions episode. Or no, that's not what I wanted to say. I'm sorry, I'm off a little bit today, as you can see, I'm sure, and you can feel in my energy. Releasing and processing. Processing and letting go. See where you are on the intensity level. If you are not where you want to be, go back to the beginning of the tapping and redo that tapping session. And now open your hands like that. If you are at the desired level, close your eyes and just say thank you for I am safe right now. Put your hands on your heart, send yourself love. Feel your feet on the ground. Ask your body what it needs from you right now. Do you need to rest? Do you need to take a sip of water? Do you need to have a fruit? Do you need to pick up the phone and have a conversation with a friend? Hopefully a positive one. And go do it. I'll see you next time in the next video.